2025, a lot of homeowners are asking between James Hardie fiber cement siding and vinyl siding, what offers them better value? And really it first starts with, well, why are you gonna reside your home, okay? And there's three main reasons. So one is kind of pride and ownership and how you want your house to look and what it says about you. Another one is you have a lot of wood rot, you have major issues, you have to do something. And then the third is you're really looking more from a purely investment standpoint, what's the best investment for me, okay? So I've never met a homeowner who looks at vinyl siding and says, man, I really wanna wrap my house in plastic. That's really the look I want. I can't wait to put plastic on my house. Okay, so the reason James Hardie is so popular nationally, and the reason it's so popular in Kansas City, especially in Johnson County, because you get the look and the warmth and the character of wood with none of the maintenance. No woodpeckers, no insects, no rodent damage, Class A fire rating, warranty against hail damage. And it's got such an array of different looks, it's very versatile. So you can get a modern look, a traditional look. It looks just like wood with none of the maintenance. And so when it comes to what your home says about you and making sure it's beautiful on the outside, James Hardie far and away provides the most value over vinyl. When it comes to having a problem, again, it goes down to if you have woodpeckers, if you have insects, you have that kind of damage, Hardie and vinyl could both solve that problem. But again, vinyl is gonna do so and it's gonna look fairly cheap. It's gonna look much different, okay? So that ties into the third piece of an investment. If you like the way your home looks today and your neighborhood has mostly wood siding, why would you downgrade to plastic? So when you think about the value of Hardie versus vinyl, you can't just look at the overall cost. So generally speaking, Hardie does cost about 10 to 15% more than vinyl. The difference is that your neighborhood mostly has wood on it. So why do you want to put vinyl on a house when none of your neighbors do? Okay, it's not gonna help you resell your house for more money. The second piece of that is if you actually think about like long-term durability and low maintenance, you could repaint Hardie 20, 25 years from now and make it look brand new again. With vinyl, you can't paint it. You have to reside the whole thing again. And so from pride and ownership, Hardie adds much more value. From a low maintenance durability, the fact you could repaint in 25 years, make your home look brand new, versus vinyl, you have to reside, so that's double the cost there. And then if you think about just really investing for your neighborhood, you don't want to downgrade your house, okay? Most people want to keep up with the Joneses or outdo the Joneses. So Hardie adds much more value long-term than vinyl.